Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Nextivaone Unified Business Communications app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer: this is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Nextivaone is a unified business communications app designed to help companies manage phone calls, team chats, video meetings, and customer interactions all in one place. Built as an all-in-one communication hub, it combines business calling, messaging, collaboration, and support tools into a single platform that works across devices. It's available on both iOS and Android and integrates with desktop systems, CRM tools, and business workflows. The app's main feature is its unified inbox, allowing users to handle calls, SMS, team messages, and customer conversations from one screen. It also includes HD video meetings, contact management, file sharing, voicemail transcription, and team collaboration spaces to streamline internal communication. Everything syncs in real time, making it easier for teams to stay aligned and responsive. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its clean interface, reliable call quality, and the convenience of having multiple communication channels combined into one app. Businesses often highlight improved productivity, easier customer tracking, and smoother team coordination. Integration with CRM tools and automated workflows also boosts efficiency for sales and support teams. However, there are some drawbacks. Some advanced features require higher-tier subscriptions, and the wide range of tools can feel overwhelming for new users during the initial learning phase. Occasional sync delays or notification issues have also been reported by some users. In addition, the experience may vary depending on internet connectivity, especially for video meetings and VoIP calls. In summary, the Nextivaone app may be worth using if you want a fully unified communication system with business calling, messaging, and video tools in one place. However, if you prefer simpler standalone apps or want all features without upgrading plans, it might not be the best fit for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.